Welcome to this Tutor to You Sociology topic video on work, poverty and welfare. In this video we're going to look at the changing nature of work. The organisation of work in the UK has undergone significant changes over the past few decades, driven by technological advancements, economic shifts and evolving societal values. These include changes to the UK workforce in recent decades to a more service sector economy, as well as changes in gender domains, the impacts of globalisation, automation and the use of technology. The first change has been technological advancements. This includes digitalisation and automation. The rise of digital technology and automation has transformed many industries. Routine and manual tasks are increasingly performed by machines, leading to greater efficiency, but also causing job displacement in some sectors. The COVID-19 pandemic has also accelerated the adoption of remote work, facilitated by digital communication tools. Many organisations have since adopted hybrid work models, combining remote and in-office work. A second change has been a shift in economic structure. The UK economy has shifted from manufacturing to services, such as financial services, healthcare, education and retail, which now dominate the job market, requiring different skill sets and work organisation than in previous generations. There has also been a significant rise in gig and freelance work, characterised by short-term contracts or freelance jobs as opposed to permanent positions. This may provide flexibility for workers, but often lacks job security and benefits. A third change has been changing employment practices. There is a growing emphasis on flexible working arrangements, including part-time work, flexi-time, job sharing and compressed hours. This is in response to demands for better work-life balance and more diverse workforce needs. There's also been an increased focus on employee well-being and mental health, with organisations implementing wellness programs, mental health support and creating healthier work environments. A fourth change is to workforce demographics. As the workforce is ageing due to the ageing population, this leads to an increased emphasis on accommodating older workers, including through flexible retirement options and retraining programs. There has also been a greater focus on diversity and inclusion initiatives to create more equitable workplaces. This includes addressing gender, ethnic and disability disparities in employment and career advancement. A further change to the nature of work has come through policy changes. Changes in employment law, such as increased protections for gig economy workers, higher minimum wages and enhanced parental leave rights. Other policy changes, such as the UK's decision to exit the European Union, has affected labour mobility, leading to labour shortages in some sectors and promoted changes in immigration policy. There have also been organisational changes. Many organisations are moving towards flatter hierarchies to promote greater collaboration, innovation and agility. This involves reducing layers of management and empowering employees at all levels. And there's also been the adoption of agile methodologies, particularly in tech and creative industries, to enhance flexibility, responsiveness and team collaboration. In response to environmental climate changes, there has been a growing emphasis on sustainability, and this has led to the creation of green jobs and roles focused on the environmental impact, renewable energy and corporate social responsibility. This can also be seen in a growth of ethical business practices, increased pressure on businesses, particularly from social media, to adopt ethical practices including fair trade, ethical sourcing and corporate transparency. And finally, skills and training. There has been an emphasis on lifelong learning and continuous professional development to keep pace with technological changes and the evolving requirements of different industries. There has also been an increased focus on STEM, science, technology, engineering and maths, particularly within the education system, as there is a greater need for skills to meet the demands of a technologically driven economy. These changes reflect a dynamic labour market that is adapting to new realities with significant implications for workers, employers and policymakers. That concludes this Tutor to You Sociology topic video looking at work poverty and welfare, focusing on the changing nature of work. Thanks for watching.